Hello everyone and welcome to a new weekly overview. Last week the weekly overview was amazing. We had an amazing result. Also, the scalp system was the same. And I want to thank Swiss Code Bank for sponsoring these live streams, sponsoring this weekly overview, sponsoring everything we do, because we know that we are always supported by good banks and financial institutions. At the same time, thank Economy and Forex Space for also supporting this, not as banks, but as educational partners. So, first of all, I want to go with you guys during this weekly overview to see what we have as in news. This weekly overview is in English and in Arabic at the same time. So, when I speak English, and then I will translate in Arabic. هاي جميعا ويلكم للويكلي اوفر فيو. هذا الويكلي اوفر فيو الاسبوع الماضي كان بيعقد، كان عندنا كثير عمليات حلوه. اكيد عمليه او اثنين كانوا عم بيصيبوا ستوب لوس، ولكن في عمليات كانوا عم بيصيبوا تيك بروفيت. سو هذا الاسبوع عم ينعمل كمان برعايه سويس كود بانك هيدا الويكلي اوفر فيو. سوينج سيستم من اهم السيستمز بدكم تنتبهوا عليهم او وتشتغلوا عليهم بشكل اساسي. سو خلينا نشوف اول شيء نيوز شو راح بيكون في لهذا الاسبوع. As news, we have Monday 10 a.m. the GDP monthly for Great Britain, which means for the pound. 4:30 p.m. Tuesday CPI news, core CPI also. It will be interesting for Tuesday as news. Also, we have Wednesday, September 14, we have 10 a.m. the CPI, but you have with CPI, but for uh, the GBP, also the PPI for US dollars at 4:30 p.m. All this we are talking about is on Beirut time. Let's see. Sorry, this is on Dubai time. At the same time, 2:45 the NZD Ooh, full week for currencies. 5:30 p.m. AUD, 4:30 p.m. US dollar. Core, it will be all on Thursday. The core retail sales 4:30 p.m. Very also good volatility for the news and the premium consumer sentiment. It will be also on Friday 6 p.m. So every day we have an interesting uh, we'll have an interesting news. So let's go for to start the trade. يعني كل يوم رح يكون عندنا أخبار جديدة، في كتير أمور مهمة تتابعوها على forexfactory.com the calendar. So make sure to follow these news on forexfactory.com calendar. Now we start with the Dow Jones. This was the last study we sent on Discord, I think, or on the group. We showed it yesterday, where we had a reversal of the Dow. Very simple. The Dow went down, was going down, 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 and then we had this candle, which is a reversal candle, the green candle here. You can see it. Look, this is the reversal candle, the green with the red. So we have now a resistance, CCI breaking up, percentage R breaking up. Next day, and this is Thursday, it opened, makes a look down and start to push up. This was the buy at this level, 131,677. And then it's starting to push up. What is the target? 38.2 the first target, 38.2 38% أول target. من بعد ما عملت برمي هون عم بتكمل، فتحت عملت ويك داون وعم تطلع. لاحظوا سي سي اي، لاحظوا البرسنتج ار بيناتهم كاسرين طلوع. And then the Fibonacci should be traced from the high till the bottom، من الأعلى إلى الأوطى. High till the bottom to see how much it will retrace. Oh, it hit 38.2 exactly before closing yesterday, Friday. So it hit it exactly yesterday. It broke the 23.6% and pop directly hit the rate at 33,245 almost. So it was a very interesting trade on the Dow. This It's simply the system for reversal. Before the week before, 2 weeks before, we had this break here. And as you see here, the Dow with the support line also was down and also 38.2, even it hit, I think 74% from all the move up. Yes. Look, down exactly 74 and 79% exactly started the reversal and move up. Very simple, very clear, guys. Very clear. Now at the 38.2, we have many options. Let's clean up everything. So, of course, as you can see, we might be doing the four waves down. It can be an ABC only, A, B, C, and now it can push up, or it can be a 1, 2, 3, 4 for the move down for the Elliott waves. Can be a 1, 2, 3, a 4, and a 5. Look here. The 4, it can be 50% now retraced from the 3. At the same time, it retraced before 50% before going down. It hit down. This is to study, is it an Elliott wave or not? From 161.8. Wow. Wow. Super wow. Now let's see how much it will retrace. It should not retrace above this level, above the 1. And it can resume down from this level. Let's see this level, how much it is on Fibonacci. It's around 74%. But let's see the options we have. The options are that the market here from 38.2, the big time, or 50 here, start to retrace. It open, makes it up, and start to retrace down. I will have for this swing trade this support level, which is interesting. Why؟ هيكون عندي هذا السبورت ليفل اللي هو مهم. ليه؟ لأنه في حال رجع طلع هلا عم يعمل low higher low higher low عندنا high higher high higher high. So the sequence should be normally open, it wick down, and then start to push up. Of course, I have this resistance here. If it will break up to resume the retracement, and if it breaks down this candle, it will be the support. يعني even it will resume the sequence of higher lows, higher high, and we go up. يعني يا بيكمل طلعة higher low, higher high, بيكمل طلوع. Or it will reverse, breaking the support, the sequence, and start to push down to resume the wave 5 down. Let's see the two scenarios. We put them long position here. And short positioning. So if it breaks 32,275, the entry, stop loss 31,175, stop loss 32,285, of course, the first TP, the scalp, 32,345, 343 TP2, 32,434 TP3, and 32,645, we have a clean traffic, the TP4. Also at the same time, if it reverses down first candle and then the candle open, wick up and start to push down again, then you have the cells 31,717, stop loss 31,817. No, it will be the cell, sorry, 31,735, 31,735, stop loss 31,835. 31,725 TP1, 31,559 TP2, 31,401 TP3, and 31,045, 31,054, which is the support here, the main support here, it will be the TP4. هلا if you want to take the targets as Fibonacci, so we take the 3 and the 4, we have 61.8. So the full target, if you want, it can be 30,700 at 61.8. You can use it. We'll see the scenarios. We'll go for gold. Gold. As we can see, let's see, we have a good move down. CCI and percentage are starting to move up, but there is no that big down to go up. But at the same time, we have an interesting support level here, while we have also an interesting resistance level here. We go deep down. This long. And this is short, so let's see. If it opens, makes it look down and start to push up. إذا فتح عامل داون وعم يطلع لأنه عندنا سبورت وخط دعم قوي وهون عندنا خط مقاومة قوي. سو إذا كسر، إذا فتح عامل لوك داون وعم بيطلع تيخرق هيدا الشيء بيكون الشروة، يخرق خط المقاومة. أما إذا خرق خط الدعم بيكون عم بيكمل نازلة. So if it breaks the support, it will be moving down. If it break the resistance, it should resume up, at least for this clean traffic here, at least I'm saying. So the buy will be 1732, TP1 1733, TP2 1738, TP3 1747, and TP4 1756. Stop loss will be 1725 or 26, 1726. As for the sell, if it opens, makes it look up and then move down. إذا فتح بالسعر عامل look up كمل نازلة. I doubt that it will go down directly from the first candle. So the first candle can be like a bearish candle like this, let's say, and then the next candle could open, makes a look up and start to push down. This will be our sell. Most probably, I think it will be the second, unless something happened and it goes down. Also, we have a very big potential on the 4-hour that the market is doing kind of flag. And this is interesting. Daily. It will be easier to check on daily. Like this, like a flag. So also breaking this level here, the flag, so we can go further down. But to be on the safe side, we might take the full sell down, and you have two options. The first option is a short option for the flag that might go down. If it opens, makes a look up and start to push down. This can be entry. Okay, and you can go further down. You can turn zero down like this, all the way down to reach 1666. So the entry can be 1701, stop loss 1708, TP1 the scalp 1700, TP2 1796, TP3 1691. هيدي only، هيدي بس إذا بدكم تاخذوا sorry, TP3 can be 1685 and TP4 the full target 1669. This is if you want to take the flag. Otherwise, if you want to start down, not from the flag, you want to wait until it breaks all the support, and you will choose which one. and then you should sell. The sell should be 1679, stop loss 16, almost 85. This is the support. This around 1685. 1678 TP1, 1672 TP2, 1660 TP3, and full target 1648. This can be the sell. You might have two sell all after wick sell, and you might have one sell, one buy. Okay, two sells, one buy. في يكون عندنا اثنين sell وواحد buy. For the US oil, here we had the sell before, but let's see now what will happen. Now the support is here. هلا السبورت صار هون. After this move down, it went almost to 81.23. Now we might have a double bottom on the CCI. We might be breaking the double bottom on the percentage R. في يكون عندنا double bottom لاحظوا هون. You can see it. This is the neckline. If it breaks, it should go up. At the same time here, if it breaks, it should go up. And here we might resume up. So that's why let's clean up everything. خلينا نشيلها. ممكن نكمل طلعة. لاحظوا عنا double bottom على percentage R. عم بيكسر هون CCI. At the same time, we will have these two scenarios. First scenario. Okay, if it opens. If it opens, let's put this resistance. Resistance. Okay. If it opens 87.73, 86.53, stop loss, 88.08 TP1, 88.94 TP2, 91.18 TP3, and 94.53 TP4. If it opens, makes a wick up and start to push down, then the sell is very clear here for me. You might have a short position on oil, sell around 80.93, stop loss. It's too big. Might have the sell here 80.93, stop loss 81.77, TP1 80.56 as a scalp usually, TP2 79.36, TP3 77.36, and TP4 74.36 as a full move down. Let's go for the GBP, JPY. For this currency who took the buy last week, it was super amazing. Finally, we took the buy and we hit the full take profit. As you can see, even this was an option for a sniper sell. You see how the market has many opportunities. ليكوا الماركت قد ايه عنده فرص. لاحظوا شو عمل سترلين ين اخيرا. نهار الثلاثاء كسر اب، اربعة اب، خميس بلش يبرم، وصل على الفول تارجت. We hit the TP4, the full target, before it retraced down and start to move down. And this كمان هون كان فيها فرصة للسنايبر انتري as this was a very good resistance area. هون كانت نقطة resistance قوية. So what will happen now? You see how much our system is strong and it's scientific, guys. It's hitting all these support and resistance like magic. عم بيضرب بالسبورت والresistance مثل السحر. هذا بيفرجي قد ايه السيستم تبعنا سوبر قوي. Now we might have a retracement down. Now the sell and the buy, they moved into this level. The sell now is here. As you can see, this is an interesting area, to be honest. هذه كلها resistance area. حتى كنت أفضل هون. This now it opens, makes a wick up and start to push down, breaking this support. إذا فتح عمل wick up وقبل كامل ينزل يكسر هذا السبورت أو خط الدعم. 163.90 entry, 164.30 stop loss, 168 TP1 scalp, 163.26 swing TP2, 162.44 TP3, and 161.44 TP4. We have a full clean traffic, as you can see here. Very interesting and important clean traffic. We might have it here. Or if it start open, makes it look down and start to push up again, resuming this move up. As you can see here, the first resistance, and we have the second resistance at this level. As you can see, we can have the buy option. في يكون عندنا الشراء والباي long. It opened 166.43, as you can see it. Stop loss 1.66.13, or let's say 66.10. 66.53 TP1, 66.88 TP2, 67.40 TP3, and the full target 68.33. If it breaks this resistance, it can move up all the way. For the Bitcoin, what push up for the Bitcoin yesterday or Friday? It took the sell before we had our target, and then it took the buy and had our target up also yesterday, Friday. It's a very nice move with the sell and the buy, both of them were confirmed. This is the resistance here. Now we will move this here. The support will be here now, and breaking this support will create the sell at this level. So if now it made the recount, if it keep pushing up, breaking 21,962, we might have a clean traffic to reach 2209C, 22,357, 22,681, and 23,196, with a stop loss 21,699. Or if it opens or start to push down, breaking this support area, 20,345 at the sell, 20,573 TP stop loss, 20,177 TP1, 19,782 TP2, 19,411 TP3, and the support here 18,668 will be TP4. We go for the euro dollars now. Also good jump yesterday, retracing up. Euro hit back above 1.0043, as you can see it. Now we still have the same support and we'll have the same resistance. So if it breaks one of them, we still have the same buy and the same sell, which is the buy at, let's finish this. Okay. The buy will be, as you see in the sheet, the number around 1.0152, I think, with its TP1, TP2, TP3, and TP4 with the same stop loss. Exactly like last week, nothing changed. Same for the sell. Now the sell is 0.9860, stop loss 98.87, 98.50 TP1, 98.11 TP2, 97.52 TP3, and 96.81 TP4. Now we are in the no trade range, and let's see what will happen. GBP USD also, it started to hit yesterday, it moved up. So as you can see here, it started to do the CCI percentage R with the divergence, breaking up on the daily chart. It's interesting if we start seeing some retracement for the DXY, which is the US dollar. Now this will give a small push for the currencies like Euro dollar, like GBP USD, AUD, NZD, all these, to start reversing or retracing up. ترجع يبلشوا يقلبوا، خصوصا اذا الدولار بلش يضعف شوي بعد كلها طلعه، بيعطي دفعه له العملات يرجع يبلش يقلب الماركت. So as you can see here, it can open, makes a wick down, and start to push up again. To be on the safe side, we need to break the high of the previous candle. $1.16 53, stop loss 1.1623, TP1 63, TP2 1.1696, TP3 1.1749, and TP4 1.1827. Okay, at the same time, we will have a short position if it starts to break down, open, makes a wick down first, and then wick down the second. So the sell will be here around 1390, stop loss 1435, 13,680 TP1 scalp, 1350 TP2, 1306 TP3, and 1224 TP4 if it keeps moving down. AUD USD also start to hit yesterday. Of course, it wasn't at all the right moment to take the AUD USD. Somebody asked me, I told them it's Friday. انتوا انتبهوا نهار الجمعه لما يكون طالع كل هيدي الطلعه اكيد ما بقى تاخذوا الاوردر even though يعني مع العلم بهذا الموضوع انه it hit TP1 as a scalp, but I wouldn't take it at all. I will wait until the new candle opens like it will happen on Monday. رح انطر لنهار الاثنين كانت فتحت الكاندل مثل ما شايفين هون. لاحظوا if it opens this candle, makes a wick down and start to push up, you have an option for a wick fill, and you can take it as a buy for a wick fill. But to be more on the safe side, once it breaks the high of the previous candle, which is 0.6880, stop loss 0.6850, TP1 0.6890, TP2 with a clean traffic 6920, 6953 TP3, and 6986 TP4. So as for the sell, if it start to push down again, now we have the support as far a little bit. هلا صار support بعيد شوي after this move up, but this is the main support that we have here. هلا if we go to a lower time frame, which is the 4 hours on the USD, this will be our sell here if it breaks this sequence. So now it's in stagnation. If it breaks this, the sell will be at this level. As you can see, it open, makes it look up, start to push down. We have clean traffic here on the left, as you can see it. This is a clean traffic. Breaking this, it should resume down this clean traffic normally, يعني, which means the sell will be around 0.6817, 0.6837 stop loss, 0.6807 TP1 scalp, 0.6788 TP2, 6764 TP3, and 6720, it will be the TP4. This will be the TP4. So now we go for the NZD USD. NZD USD, it's very simple. As you can see also, if it start to break up, this is the 4-hour chart, of course. We have this resistance at this level now, and also we have this support at this level. You have the resistance, you have the support. So also the same for this pair. Now, if it opens, makes a wick up and start to push down, the sell should be here around 0.6090, stop loss 0.6104, 6080 TP1, 6060 TP2, 6040 TP3, and 6010 TP4. This will be the full take profit here, so you can have it. Hella, if it opens, make a wick down and start to push up again to reach 0.6155, it will be like this entry 0.6156, stop loss 61, it will be 36, or if it opens and start to push up again, 66 TP1, 61.89 TP2, 62.15 TP3, and 62.40 TP4. Of course, the stop loss 61.43 for the buy and stop loss around 61.07 for the sell. USD CHF, the USD CHF, what moved down last week. It was amazing from the first time and it moved up. Then the second chance was a big move down, big fall down. Let's see now the reversal. Always, guys, have the second chance. Always have the second chance. If it takes, for example, TP1 or TP2, it hits stop loss and then moving down again, for example, you take the second chance. Now we have this support and we have this resistance. This support and this resistance. Now, if it opens, makes it look up and start to push down to resume down, then you will have this sell here at this option. يكون عندكم سيل هون على هيدي المنطقة. إذا كسرت السبورت كملت نزل يكون بعدها بالسيكونس لوات. So عندنا هون ساعتها 0.9545 سيل، 0.9560 stop loss، 0.9536 sorry 35 TP1 scalp, 0.9512 TP2, 0.9484 TP3, and 0.9450 TP5. As for the buy, if it breaks up again, it will be a nice buy for a clean traffic because it's breaking the sequence. Look, this is the bearish trend line. إذا ملاحظين هذا البيرش trend line. And you have the confluence here. If it breaks it up, then we have a buy at 0.9630. ممكن يكون عندنا شروة على sorry, no, it will be around 90, yes, خلاص 9630, stop loss 9610, TP1 9640, TP2 9670, TP3 9728, and TP4 it will be around 9765. This is for the buy. And for the dollar Canadian USD CAD, we have also, it was breaking the support down to super great. Now it's reversing. And as it seems like it can resume down if it breaks. Look, this is a reversal. مبدئيا most probably this is a reversal. The reversal بالمبدأ. So if it's continue down, يعني هلا. Now if it open makes it look up. Now we have this not to break up again. Okay. Okay. Now if it open makes it look up and continue down breaking this, so the entry will be sell. يعني الفوت رح بتكون على البيع على 1.29 74 1.2974 stop loss 1.2994 or let's say 1.30 stop loss TP1 64.29 1.2964 TP2 1.2930 TP3 1.2878 and 1.2773 TP4. At the same time, if it opens, makes it down and start to push up again, 1.3065 entry, stop loss 1.3045, TP1 75, TP2 3095, TP3 3140, and TP4 131.88. Okay, so this is our weekly overview for this week. I think we have a lot of good opportunities. You might take it, but draw the study, open investing.com. It's for free. Open TradingView if you have the pro part, and put all these studies, scan all these studies from what you are seeing here in this video or what you see here in this video to your own account in investing.com on Swing. Save the charts so it can help you follow up every day without drawing back everything, and you can follow up this trade. And don't forget that tomorrow we will be also with Swissquote Bank at 10 p.m. Dubai time, 9 p.m. Beirut time. We will be also doing update on this weekly overview about the order hits and not, and what to expect for the next day, Tuesday, Wednesday, and all these. Don't forget also to send your studies and these cuts on the Forex Talk Discord channel. It will be interesting at the same time with the rules that you can strictly talk on the Discord channel about this. So thanks جميعا. hopefully هذا الاسبوع يكون اسبوع حلو، في كتير opportunities، في كتير فرص حلوه. make sure تحطوهم اذا عندكم account investing.com، اذا عندكم account لانه for free هيدا، او trading view دافعين. فيكم ساعتها تحطوا هول العمليات، تنقلوهم هن ذاتهم مثل ما هن لهونيك، تتابعوهم، تتعلموا كيف ترسمون وتتابعوهم خلال اليوم، تتعرفوا كيف تحطوا الاوردرز تدريجيا. ونحن بكره القرارات بيكون عندنا مع سويس كود بانك كمان نهار الاثنين على الساعه 10 توقيت دبي، 9 توقيت بيروت. رح يكون عندنا اكيد الابديت تبع الويكلي اوفر فيو 2 تتكونوا انتم عم تقدروا تشوفوها وتشتغلوا على اساسها. Thank you so much and see you in our live streams.